Good morning, class. See the picture. Yes, a girl is there looking very sad. Room is there, books are there, a table is also there, chair. The girl is looking very sad. I think she is weeping. And she has a paper in her hand. So, what is the reason? What do you think? Why she is upset? Yes, students, she is Manjula, and she is upset because she has two fingers in her hand. You see, the paper in her hand is there and two fingers are there. Yes, she has two fingers in her hand. Therefore, the parents, family member thinks that she cannot do anything work that can be done outside. So they encourage her to do the household work like cooking or any other work that can be done in the house. And in that way, she can do better. But she was not interested in that. So she explained all the feelings to mother. You see in the next picture. She is standing with her mother and she is telling all the things to her mother. And mother is also looking happy because she is surprised to see the talent of her child, her girl. The girl is showing her something important. And the mother is impressed to see that the girl has so much talent. So she encouraged her. And with the encouragement of mother, she done a very good job in the school, a very good work in the field of painting, in the field of drawing. So in this way, Manjula became a very brave girl. And this is the name of our lesson today, Bravo Manju. See what is written on the top? Bravo Manju. So Manjula was born with only two fingers on each hand, but that does not stop her from pursuing her interest. Does she overcome the hurdles and take up the challenges or give up? Read this inspiring story. So what we have read in the starting, that Manjula had two fingers in each hand and she was born with them. But can the two fingers stop her in her hand? Does she overcome all the hurdles, means problem in her way, on her way, and the challenges, or she give up, means she left in between? What is there in the story? Let us read this inspiring story, the story full of inspiration, full of motivation. We are going to read today. Manjula Parlekar knew she would never paint like Hussain, not with those fingers, just two on each hand. Handling brushes was no problem. Her problem was the cost of the material she would need. So the word is Hussain. You know M.F. Hussain, a very famous great Indian artist. So Manjula knew very well that she cannot paint like M.F. Hussain because he is a very big painter. So, but with those fingers, just two on each hand, handling brush was not the problem. She can handle the brushes, but the problem was the cost, the money, from where she will arrange the money for the material she would need. Mommy, she asked one evening while helping her mother in the kitchen after dinner, do you think I could? She paused nervously. I could have some extra money tomorrow. So she was asking, she was helping her mother in the kitchen and she paused, means she gave a break. Nervously, means she is afraid whether permission will be given or not. So what permission she wants? She wants some extra money for tomorrow. What do you need it for? Asked her mother, gently raising the dishes. for colors and paints. I want to learn painting. Mrs. Perlaker looked at her daughter searchingly. Mother was surprised. She was searching. What is there? After some time, she pressed some money into Manjula's hand. But she thinks something and she put the money in her hand. After some time, she pressed some money into Manjula's hand. Go ahead and buy whatever you need, dear. Have fun and show me the painting. So mother agreed, and mother gave her money to purchase the color or painting, whatever she want to purchase. And she told that have fun, enjoy, and she show me the painting you made. Manjula showed her first painting to her mother the very next day. Because Manjula was very excited, she purchased all the things and made painting. Manjula, she cried, her mother dropping her needlework in surprise. Why, this is beautiful. I didn't know you were so good. You must show it to Papa. He will be impressed. So mother was very surprised to see the beautiful painting. Even she had a needle in her hand and that was dropped because she was surprised. And she asked her daughter to show the painting to her father. Manjula returned to her brushes and paints. Nobody had asked Manjula what she wanted for her 13th birthday. Yet she got all she had secretly wished for. Secretly, she got the money and she had got all the things she wanted. Oh, mommy, cried Manjula, overwhelmed, means excited. A set of artist watercolor. Thank you so much. And this is from your father. Her mother pressed a book in her hands. And it was given from her father. And her mother put the thing in her hand. Painting setup. Paintings step by step. Manjula jumped in excitement, her dark eyes shining with happiness. Oh, Papa, I could never have dreamed of that. So she was very happy to see the watercolors. And she thanked Papa that she had never dreamt of this. You wouldn't have dreamt of my present either, said her brother Amol with a mischievous smile. He pulled her to her bedroom. So Amol is also going to give her a gift, and he has taken her to the bedroom. Amol lifted the pillow for her, and there, tied with a pink ribbon, lay 3 watercolor brushes. And there were the watercolor brushes. Sable hair, said her brother, artistic quality. Sable hair means a hair of sable, a soft furry animal, used an artist brush. Means the hair is very soft. Manjula studied new book from cover to cover and soon used up all papers. She knew for good watercolor painting she needed special watercolor paper, which was expensive, but she asked her mother anyway. And now the third thing, she wanted the watercolor paper, and she requested her mother for that. It's not the matter of few sheets, said Mr. Perlaker wearily when Mr. Perlaker spoke to him after dinner. After watercolor, it will be oils, then canvases, and what not. Why doesn't she learn something more useful like cooking or stitching? With those hands of hers, she will never become an artist. So father was thinking that she want all these things, color and paper. So he thought that the girl should learn the things like cooking and stitching. Then, mother, please, cried her mother, don't say that even again. But mother requested that please don't speak like this again. Manjula, who had heard the conversation, returned to her room. She bundled up the watercolor and the 3 brushes and tucked them away into the farthest corner of her cupboard. Manjula has heard all the conversation of father and mother, and she came to know that father doesn't want that she should do painting. So she rolled all the things and keep them in a cupboard. Mother, she said the next day, coming into the kitchen, do you need some help in cooking? Now she has entered the kitchen and asked mother to help. Why, Manju? Her mother looked at her surprised, glimpsing the pain in her eyes. Mother has watched the pain in her eyes, and she was very upset. She was surprised also. Because, said Manjula, in as steady a voice she could manage, because I stopped painting and I think cooking is a useful thing. Manjula asked her mother that I thought that cooking is better than any other thing. So I want to help you in the kitchen. But why? Amol was shocked. Amol, her brother, was also shocked because he was also thinking that she was going to do something in the field of painting. I thought you would enter the on-the-spot painting competition in November at my school and you would have easily bagged the first prize. Amol was asking to participate in the on-the-spot painting competition in November, and he was very confident that Manjula can bag the first prize. Manjula was through with art. Means she had given up the art forever. She had given it up for good. However much it hurt, however much. Means she was very upset when she was saying that I have given up the art. So it's for today, and tomorrow we shall continue the reading. Bye.